Hi guys, today I'm in a different field from the last video, so give this one a go today once I've had my cup of tea anyway. So yeah, see what this one brings. It's a little bit windy out today, so you might get a bit of wind noise. I will try my best to keep the camera out of the wind, but it's blowing from all angles at the minute, so I'm quite high up. Yeah, hopefully see you at the first hole and see what targets we get today. Hopefully some good ones. Okay, first target today, took a bit of finding, a little bit of lead. Move on to the next. Well guys, second target after the lead, and sorry I didn't dig this one alive. It's a little buckle, so still intact as well, which is rather nice. Okay, got a target coming in here, 456. Let's give it a dig. I think it's in the plug as well. And it's a bit of lead. Move on to the next one. Okay, we've got 17 at 18. There's a bit of iron around it as well, actually. We'll give this one a go. Like the other field, this one's a little bit stony as well, so trying to get the spade in sometimes is a little bit of a nightmare. Okay, still in the hole. See if we can locate it. Try to nudge it out a little bit. Oh, it's in my hand. Let's hope it's not lead. Looks like another little buckle. I think it is another little buckle. Oh. Yep. Definitely a buckle. It's not bad. Nice little find. See if we can get some more nice finds. Okay, I apologise for the wind noise. I will try and shield it. But that tiny little button has just come out of a hole. Now it was only about an inch down, but that is tiny. Look at that, with the 16-inch coil. That ain't bad going, is it? Okay, we got 15, 16 coming in. I hope it's not as windy down here, because I was up on the top of the hill over there earlier on and it was windy, very windy. So I came back down into this little dip, and I think I'll stay in this area. Let's see how I get on, really. Just in the side of the wall there. Nudge it out a little bit. I think that got it. Oh, there it is. And it's a ring pull. Saw a bit of silver. Not the right silver. Never mind, moving on. Yeah, so up there is the top of the hill. You see this footpath that runs all the way down. This is where I found the buckles earlier on, just along this pathway here. And this is the little dip. So I'm going to try and stay in this a bit. As you can see, it dips down just over there as well. So, and that's where I just found that silver ring pull. Never mind. I'm getting a 20, 21, 23. So, give this one a dig. See what it is. I'll try and stay out of the wind as much as I can. I kept you out of the wind as much as I could, but it's now in the little pile, I believe. I'm not actually sure what that is, to be fair. Interesting though. So I just had the first coin of the day. Bit battered. Yeah, we've got a signal coming in here. 23. Well, it's a coin. I'll clean it up properly when I get home. I never bring me glasses detecting, so you can probably see it a lot better on the camera than what I can. So I'm just trying to have a look at myself actually through the lens, but I'll find a head on it, I'll find the detail on it, but I'll just get home and get a date on it if I can. I can see the detail, but I can't see the date. So that rang in nice at 23. So see what we get in this little bit of an area. Alright, moving on to the next one then. Okay, I've come into the little dip area that I said earlier. First signal coming in at 20. So we give that a dig now. 18, 19, 20. Might still be a bit windy out there, guys, that you're listening to, so I do apologise. Try and keep my back to the wind. Okay, so locate the target. Well, sort of. It's out the hole, put it that way. Oh. There we go. It's another coin. There again, a bit crusty, a bit bad, probably won't get anything off of it. Oh. End up losing it again then. So yeah, probably get nothing off of that, but we'll see when we get back, see if we can get anything off of it. Coin's a coin. Okay, close to where I had the other coin, I've got another signal coming in, 23, 24. Again, guys, I apologise for the wind noise. What I'll do is I'll dig the hole, and then can't locate the target straight away, I'll come back to it. Bit long grass around here at the minute as well, this area. Give it one scoop out. I think I've just seen it actually. Yeah, I thought I did. There's a little coin in there somewhere. There we go. There you go. Another crusty old coin. Okay, I've come across into another field, and this is the first signal. We're getting 22, 23, 24. So give this one a dig. We got rust, that's not good.
Oh, no. It is good. Oh, it's another little buckle. It's the third one today. Oh. Must be buckle day. I don't mind that.
So I do apologise for the wind, however, it's one of those things in this hobby. So hopefully see you on the next video, and I'll do the roundup as soon as I get in and clean up the finds. Take care. So here's the roundup. It's all the rubbish I found today. Bits and pieces. A few bullets. Big bullet shell there. Shotgun cartridge. Bit of gold. But it was gold foil. A bit of silver. But it was a silver ring pull. Coming on to the finds. Bit of lead shot. 1942 3p. Couple of crusty coins. Another crusty coin. Token button. A little tiny button. Let's get the detail on that. The strange shaped object that for some reason doesn't want to really clean up. But there's no detail on that at all, to be fair, so still unsure to what that is. So if anyone has any ideas, please let me know. These are the buckles. This is the buckle I found, the last buckle, and this was in the hole as well, so this was actually attached to it. So it looks like the pin came out when I pulled it out of the hole. This one is still intact. As you can see, it's come up quite nice. Again, if anyone can age these for me, I'd be much appreciated. This last buckle as well. It's quite a nice little buckle, that, to be fair. But again, anyone can age them. Oh, don't we drop in that, do we? There we go.